Yeah, it's dividing. So you add the min and the max, and then you divide by 2. So what's the minimum weight of a newborn here?
$2.25.
Yep. So I'm going to have 2.25. And then what's the maximum weight?
Mis huevos.
Ruby, what's the maximum weight?
$7.75.
And then I'm going to divide that by what number?
By 2.
Perfect. Okay. So when I do this in my calculator, I should get an average of 5 pounds. Okay. Now we also need to come up with how much it varies. Okay, so to figure out how much it varies, I can take that average and subtract the minimum. Jordan, are you there? Jamie, are you here?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take our, let's see, we can do our average and subtract our minimum. So what numbers am I gonna get here? What did we get as our average?
5.
Yeah, and what's our minimum value?
Around 2.25.
Uh-huh. And when we subtract these values, we should get 2.75. So when we come up with our equation, we should have the absolute value of x minus 5 equals 2.75. Okay, so the 5 came from our average. Okay, so that came from right there. And the 2.75 came from how much we varied. Okay. All right, so that's how we calculated each part of that. The final answer is this equation right here. Okay. This is right two related functions that can be shown to, that can be graphed to show the solution. All it's asking you to do is rewrite that function in its two forms. So x minus 5 equals 2.75 and x minus 5 equals negative. Okay, and that's it for number 2. What questions do you guys have on number 2? Okay, so in number 3, it says a machine is used to fill each of several bags with 16 ounces of sugar. After the bags are filled, another machine weighs them. If the bag weighs 0.3 ounces more or less than the desired weight, the bag is rejected. Write this the equation to find the heaviest and lightest bag the machine will approve. So, Jason, your mic's not working. Iban, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so what equation am I going to write? It's going to be an absolute value equation. So what number should I subtract from x? What's my ideal number in this problem?
16.
Yeah, so I'm going to have x minus 16. And that's going to be equal to what? How much can I vary?
3 ounces.
0.3, yeah. So 0.3 ounces. Okay. Good. Now it asks us to find the heaviest and the lightest bag. So all we would do for our max, we would take x minus 16 and set it equal to positive 0.3. For our min, we would take x minus 16 and set it equal to negative 0.3. And we solve, so we add 16 on both sides to get that x equals 16.3 is the largest bag we could have. We add 16 on both sides to get that x equals 15.7 is the smallest bag we could have. Okay, questions on number 3. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do number 4 together, and then the very last page of this, I'll just put up the solutions, try them on your own as you do, see how well you do. Okay, so in number 4, it tells us that the average number of seeds in a package of cucumber seeds is 25. The number of seeds in the package can vary by 3. What are the max and min number of seeds that could be in the package? So Lisbeth, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so help me come up with this equation. So what is the average number of seeds in the package? So it says the average number of seeds in a package of cucumber seeds is 25. So what number should I subtract from x? Lisbeth?
Yeah.
So what number should I subtract from x? What number is the average number of seeds? Lisbeth, I'm asking you to answer the question. Do you know?
No.
Okay, so it tells us in this sentence, the average number of seeds in a package of a cucumber seeds is 25. So the average is the number that goes and is subtracted from x. So what number did I say was the average?
25.
Thank you, yes. So I'm gonna put 25 here. And then the number that goes right here is how much it can vary. It says after that sentence, the number of seeds the package can vary by is 3. So I should set this equal to what number?
Three.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Lisbeth. So now I need to find my maximum and my minimum number of seeds. Olivia, are you there? Actually, it is 1:15 now, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. So the max is going to be when we set x minus 25 equal to positive 3, and the min is going to be when x minus 25 is equal to negative 3. We'll add 25 to both sides. So I should get x equals 28. And then x equals 22 as my min and my max number of seeds. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful to see how these absolute value functions can be applied. I'll post all of these solutions online, and then you have classwork and homework just like normal today. The classwork is a practice quiz on Canvas, and your homework is done by hand and then turned in. What questions do you guys have before I let you go?
So it's always going to be x minus the average?
Yes, x minus the average equals the amount that it varies by.
Okay.
Yes, very good question. So 3 was the number it varied by. 25 was the average. And it says average here. And it has the word vary in the sentence with 3 right there. Okay, so that's how we knew to split it up like that. Okay, any other questions before you guys head out? Okay, well, good luck with everything. I will see you guys tomorrow. Message me if you have any questions. And feel free to stay on a little longer if you have any questions as well. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.